What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh shit, here it goes again. Is that some sort of fucking alien? What the fuck is that? Do you not give a shit? No? You don't care? You don't care that this loud ass alien spaceship on the talking noises filling the air and you're just sitting there, fair enough. What the fuck? What is this? Okay, I'm getting in, I'm scared. Okay, well, I don't want to get abducted. I don't want to get abducted today, I'm good. So, I'll see you in a bit. Oh my god. Wait, right, if you hear this too, then, like, fuck, what is it? Like, there he goes again, he's coming again. How long is this gonna last? Is this the end of the world? I'm actually scared. What the fuck is this? Oh my god, okay, I'm getting in, I don't want to die. Shit, oh my god, look at this girl. No, she's mental. Scared of a door hitting her in the face, not scared of a alien spaceship maybe above us. Great, thank you. That's fucking weird. Like, I can hear it from in here, and it's like it's out there. It's like I have the door open, but I don't. Look, no, that's loud, and it's actually popping my ears. Okay, I'm going in. I'll see you in a bit. Shit.